The Lost Ways is the best-selling survival prepping guide online these days. It has sold thousands of copies and has a ton of satisfied customers. With all the conflicts and natural disasters taking place in current times, survival prepping has become very popular. Many people are starting to see the need to be prepared just in case a disaster occurs. Claude Davis is an expert survivalist who has experience and knowledge that allows him to survive in the harshest of environments. He decided to write The Lost Ways so that people would know how to survive earthquakes, typhoons, tsunamis, floods, and terrorist attacks. These are very real scenarios, and knowledge is power when it comes to making it through in one piece during these calamities. Anyone and everyone will benefit from learning how to survive. This is a skill that's best picked up during calm and peaceful times. Don't wait until disaster occurs before you start scrambling to figure things out. When it comes to survival prepping, there are many programs and guides being sold online. However, none can match The Lost Ways in terms of popularity. Let's see why. What you will love about The Lost Ways. Firstly, this is more than a guide. It's a tome, weighing in at 350 pages. There is a wealth of knowledge here, and it is highly detailed. You are taught everything you need to know. While a 350-page guide can seem daunting, the good news is that it is a very interesting read. Claude has written in a conversational way that is not only interesting, but also simple to understand. You will not get mired in complex terminology. Claude drew on the experience of several survival experts when writing the book. You'll get tips and input from survival experts such as Mike Searson, Patrick Shelley, and Shannon Azaras, just to name a few. This is real-world survival info that will work during tough times. One important topic that is covered is preserving your food. During a disaster, one of the first things to go will be your electricity, and that will mean that your refrigerator becomes useless. Knowing how to preserve your fish, meat, food, etc. is crucial. The Lost Ways will also teach you how to preserve and store water. Another interesting tip you will pick up is how to make a superfood. You'll be able to easily obtain the ingredients from your nearest supermarket. Once you read The Lost Ways and you're armed with the knowledge of how to survive should times get bad, you will have a certain sense of peace. You know what to do to survive and how to obtain food and water for your family. This peace of mind is priceless. This product has massive social proof with thousands of sales and satisfied customers. You can find testimonials from people all over the internet saying how useful and practical The Lost Ways is. This is a book that can make the difference between life and death when it matters. Despite packing so much value, the product is highly affordable. It also comes with an ironclad 100% refund policy. So, you can buy this book without any risk. If you're not satisfied, you can always get your money back. What you need to know about The Lost Ways. You can only get this book online, so you'll need to be online to access and download it. This is a huge guide, and it may overwhelm some people. After all, you may be wondering, how am I ever going to complete it? Don't panic. Just read 5 to 7 pages daily and understand what you read. Within 2 months, you'll have completed the book. It's that simple. Why you should get The Lost Ways today. Should you get The Lost Ways? Yes, yes, yes. This is one of those guides that is a must-have. It's perfect for beginners, and even a survivalist with experience will be able to glean several useful tips from The Lost Ways. One benefit of this book that is not mentioned often is that it teaches you to develop a survival mindset. You will learn how to develop the will to survive no matter how hard times get. While others may be curling up in a ball and hoping things get better, you will be ready to take on any challenge. This will greatly increase your chances of survival. You must be a fighter, and The Lost Ways will give you that mindset. If you want to be a hardcore survivor and be prepared in case things go sideways, The Lost Ways is exactly what you need. In fact, it is so good that almost everyone needs it. Get your copy today and become a true survivor.